So rate of change with jobs, and we end up with a table like this one. This is kind of like the heart disease one on the homework, um, where it gives us more values than we need. Okay, so it shows the chart shows living wage jobs per thousand working age adults over a 5-year period. And so, what is the average rate of change? And again, average indicates that everything is happening the same all the time, which is clearly not the case in this table. But it allows us to make some assumptions, manipulative or not. You get to choose that. Again, I'm kind of pointing out the maybe sometimes lack of integrity when we look at averages like this or with statistics. But in any case, we're just looking at the years 1997 and 99. 97 and 99, which means that we don't need the 98 or 2000 or 2001. Just completely ignore those for this specific calculation. And again, on the homework, they may have asked for 2 sets, right? So you may have needed those numbers, but in this case, we're good. Well, the rate of change, as we've talked about, is actually slope. So I'm going to use the slope formula. You just got to be careful with where you put some of these values, because on the reality check that we did for this one, some of you guys got the two mixed up, right? Which one should be numerator, which one should be denominator? Well, the numerator is always the dependent variable. And the two variables we're looking at on this one is jobs and the year. So the years don't really depend on jobs, right? Like, I'm trying to think of a scenario that would work, but I don't want to waste too much time. Definitely the number of jobs for per 1,000 working age adults over a 5-year period will depend on what year it is. Okay, so that means that the jobs is our numerator on this one. And I'm going to start with the second value just because I see it's an increasing. I'm going to start with the second value and subtract the first value. And again, this is jobs. In fact, maybe we'll put that label on there. In the numerator, we'll use jobs. And then the denominator will be the year, because jobs depends on the year. Well, what 2 years are we looking at? We're looking at 1999 and 1997. So calculating this, I believe that's 95 over 2 years. So 95 jobs in 2 years, but we can simplify this for an average rate of change. We're really looking at the unit rate on this one. So 95 divided by 2, you could do that in the calculator. It should be 47 and a half. But again, this is a word problem, so we'll label it in jobs per year.